Good evening, everyone. So, welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So, in this lab, we'll see how to export data of a PDF file to a Excel sheet. Okay. So, for example, I have a list of name here in PDF format, and I want to export these names in an Excel sheet. Okay. So, there is one way is to simply copy and paste there. But if the numbers are, let's say, in thousands or 10,000s, it's very tough to copy and paste there. Okay. So Excel has provided one facility to import data from this PDF to the Excel file. Okay. Or you can simply export this file, these names to a Excel sheet. Okay. You see, this PDF is having 3 pages of. Okay. So in the first page, your names are there. In the second page, few names are there. In the third page, few names are there. So let's see how to import or export the data from PDF to Excel or import data here from PDF file. Okay. So here is the Excel sheet we have opened, and the first step you have to do is to go to the data section. Now click on get data. Here the first menu come is the from file, and here you have to choose from PDF. So the moment you select that from PDFs, you have to choose that particular file from this window. Now here is our file. Now just click on import. You'll see each page file will appear like this. So in this PDF we have 3 pages, so 3 pages automatically created. Now select multiple items. So I can simply choose this, this, and this, and click on transform data. So the moment I press transform data, you see all the data will be imported from PDF to Excel. So this is the previous section. You can see it here. You see in the third page, it is started from Devendra to Deepa. You see here also from in the third page, it is Devendra to Deepa. In the second page, it is Deepika to Anil. In the second page, it is Deepika to Anil. And in the first page, it is Manisha to Hari. So the first page you see is Manisha to Hari. Okay. Now you have just verified. Now click close and click here close and load. So the moment I press close and load, in your Excel sheet, 3 sheets will be created with the name page 001, page 002, and 3. You can rename it. So initially we'll see how to import this data. Okay, so the moment I press close and load, you see all the data has appeared. You see here. Okay, so in this way you can import the data from PDF to Excel sheet. So try to practice and explore more technique. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much.